All right, we are in Plano. We just finished this job. People always ask us about, hey, what is this whole cover your pergola thing? So we have an existing pergola here. This pergola is about, probably about 18 foot wide by about 16 foot extension. We've got a little 14-foot drop here. And so this is our polycarbonate basin cap connecting seam system. And so this is our standard system. This is our workhorse system. This is what we sell the most of. And so we've got a bronze color here. So the great thing about covering your pergola with our product is this. First of all, it's gonna let the light through. So it's not gonna be a shingled roof where you've got to put electricity up underneath it. It's gonna let the light through. It's going to block the rain, so the rain cannot get through here. It's gonna block the rain. And so another thing that's a huge benefit, it's gonna protect this pergola, so you're not gonna have to get your pergola re-stained as much. It's got a UV coat on the top side. It's got a 10-year warranty. It's resistant to hail. The sheets come as big as 28 foot, and so we can fit any pergola size you need. It's an architectural grade polycarbonate, and so this polycarbonate material is made for big commercial buildings as well as, and then we modified it and put it outside for pergolas in the Texas area. So give us a call, go to www.coveryourpergola.com, call us at Regal Plastics, DM us on Instagram or Facebook, and we'd love to teach you more about how to cover your pergola.